Namaste and welcome. My name is Ivorie and I'm a yoga teacher and a yoga therapist. I'm located in Los Angeles, California, and I'm happy to have you here. Today we're going to go through a yoga nidra practice. Yoga nidra, if you've never heard of it, is also known as psychic sleep or yogic sleep. It's this beautiful state where you are not all the way asleep, but yet you are awake mentally. Consciously, you're there, you can hear what's going on, but your body is in a state of deep, deep relaxation. It's a really wonderful practice if you are at all anxious, stressed, and at this point in these remarkable times, I don't know who is not feeling that at some point. So use this practice anytime you need it. I recommend it before you go to sleep, especially if you do suffer from any sort of insomnia, or maybe there's just one night where you can't get to sleep. You could actually do this practice in bed. Otherwise, it's recommended that you do it on a mat or in a comfortable space. Okay, so we'll get started. I have some props here. You don't necessarily need these props, but it might be nice. I have a blanket that I use as a pillow. You can also use this blanket, roll it up, and kind of hug onto it. We'll be doing some stuff on our side, on our back, and then on our other side. And sometimes it's nice to have a blanket in between the legs. I also have a bolster for the same reason. Okay, so if you have any of those, just have them nearby on the ready in case you do want them. And then the other thing I have, which I really love, is the gravity weighted sleep mask, and this is by Purple. It feels really nice on the face, and it's also got these beads that are like evenly distributed. So it's a nice, gentle, but firm weight on my eyes. If you've got this, then definitely bring this out. But if you don't, then any face mask would work. So I'll have you start on your back. So find a comfortable position, lay down on the back, wiggle and worm around until you get your sweet spot. And then the arms and the hands can be anywhere that's comfortable for you. Yeah, so maybe you rest them on your belly. Maybe you've got one hand up at the heart, one hand at the belly. Maybe the arms are just wide as they want to be, legs as wide as they want to be. Make it work for you. And then once you arrive there on the back body, just take a nice deep breath in. And then exhale the breath out. Again, inhale. Exhale the day away. Do that again. Inhale. Exhale the week away. Last time. Inhale. Exhale the month away. And then just let the breath come naturally in and out without forcing it or manipulating it any. And bring your awareness to whatever surface is beneath you, be it your bed, your yoga mat. And allow your body to sink deeper into that surface beneath you. So let the attention come to the back of your skull, back of the skull, relax deeper. Blades of your shoulder, relax deeper. Your elbows, your wrist, your knuckles, all the parts of the arm that are touching the mat, let them sink deeper. Back of the pelvis, back of the thighs, the calf muscles, the heels, all relaxing into the space beneath you. And because you've given your back body the opportunity to melt and to seep into the mat, the earth, the floor, the bed beneath you, the front body is now free to also relax into the back body. because it knows the back body is supported. So let the muscles of your face relax down to the back of the skull. Your upper chest deflates down into the area of the shoulder blades. Your belly deflates down. The soft tissue of the thighs relax down. The whole front part of the leg relaxing into the back of the leg. And there's this feeling of being both weighted and weightless all at once. So heavy that you could float. And then take this sense of ease, sense of relaxation, and you're going to roll over onto your right side. And if you do have, excuse me, if you do have a prop, or if you do have a bolster or a pillow, and you'd like to give that a hug, place it in between your legs, wrap your arms around it, you could. But just make this shape very comfortable. And so now it's the right side of your body that is relaxing into the space beneath you. And let that side of the body get heavier. Imagine that you are laying into a large piece of foam. And your body is so heavy, so relaxed that it makes a deep imprint into that foam. So deep that when you lift off, you can still see the imprint of your body into the foam. Let yourself deepen in that way. And because that right side of the body is so relaxed, the left side of the body can relax into the right side of the body. Left ear deepens down towards the right ear. Left shoulder sinks down towards the right shoulder. Left rib cage, left hip. Top of the left leg and the bottom of the left leg. Even the organs that live on the left side of your body. Your left lung, your spleen, your liver. Imagine that those organs were shifting rightwards. Bring awareness back to your breath and just deepen the inhale. Lengthen the exhale. And you're going to gently, without any sense of rush, roll back onto the back side of your body. And just pause there for a moment, feeling the differences between the two sides, the left side and the right side. And then we'll continue the journey over now to the left side of the body. So rolling in the opposite direction and taking the prop with you, if there was a prop, and finding the sweet spot on now this other side with the prop as you need it in between the legs, or giving it a hug. And then right away, relax that whole left side of the body, from the ear to the shoulder, the ribs to the hip, the top of the leg, the bottom of the leg, the ankle, the pinky toe edge of the foot, all deepening. softening, melting. And because it knows that it is supported, the right side of the body is inclined to do the same, to deepen, to relax, to melt into the left side of the body. The right side of your face begins to melt down, right ear, right shoulder. The whole right arm sinks downward. Right rib cage, the right hip, top of the right leg, the bottom of the right leg. And you can feel that imprint of your body into that imaginary foam, getting deeper. The organs on the right side of your body, same thing, deepening as if they could even shift in space. Deepen your following inhale. Lengthen the following exhale. And then with as little fuss as possible, roll back onto the back body. If there's props, let them go. And find a space for your back body. Spread out wider, take up more space, but continue that feeling of free falling downward with an acute awareness that there is something firm and yet soft to catch you. So there's no need to tense, no need for fear. And just a feeling of spaciousness, a feeling of freedom. And allow yourself to abide in this space for a little while longer. No need to fix anything, no need to shift, to fidget. And this space is yours to stay in for as long as you like. There's no pressure from me to move. If you do have to get on with your day, maybe there's some slight gentle movements to awaken you out of this state of deep relaxation. Move slowly. No hurry. But if you can, stay. I'd like to thank you for joining me for this practice. I hope that it brought you ease, relaxation, and maybe even a sense of peace. The light within me honors that within each of you. Om Shanti. Namaste. I'll see you next time.